G'day everyone, this is Christian from zensmokealarms.com.au. We are Australia's interconnected photoelectric smoke alarm experts. When we talk about hardwired versus wireless smoke alarms, what we're referring to there is the power source. So hardwired is hardwired into the 240 volt mains electricity of your house versus the wireless 10-year battery powered smoke alarm like Zen, which you can just hold in the palm of your hand. There's a couple of differences to note between hardwired and wireless. First and foremost, unlike wireless 10-year battery powered smoke alarms, which can be legally DIY installed by anyone, a hardwired smoke alarm must be installed by a licensed electrician, cannot do it yourself. Second thing to note, if you're selling a property in Queensland, a hardwired smoke alarm will require a compliance certificate from an electrician when you're selling your property. This is stated on the Queensland Fire Department website. Hardwired smoke alarms must always be installed in new builds. They must always be installed in substantial renovations to your property. And if you're replacing an already hardwired smoke alarm, it must be replaced with hardwired. You can't replace it with a wireless 10-year battery-powered smoke alarm. One other thing to note, irrespective of what type of smoke alarm that you're using, all smoke alarms, including hardwired, must be replaced 10 years from date of manufacture. You find the manufacture date printed on the rear of the smoke alarm right here.